Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing two brand new pairs of Tieks. I love these shoes. If you're not familiar with them, it's a really beautiful brand of ballet flats. But they're not just any kind of ballet flats. They're not the same thing you'd see at like Payless, for instance. All of them are handmade in Italy, and there's more than 150 steps, and each pair takes 3 days to complete by an artisan. So they're all really cool, very unique. When you buy a pair, yours will not be like anyone else's, which I think is super cool because I am all about handcrafted, unique things. So I'll show you which pairs I selected this time. So as you can see, they come in a really pretty teak blue box, and each pair has its own little flower on top. So this time I ordered around the Halloween time, and so it was kind of like a black flower. So when they arrive, you'll notice that they're folded in half. My first thought when I bought this, so the first time I was like, that's a really small box for some shoes. But when you open them up, one of the cool things about Tieks is that they fold in half like this for easy storage, which is really cool. Part of the design I'll get into a little bit later is the fact that they fold in half like this and that the soles are split. So there's this piece and then there's the front part for the pad of your foot. So just open that up. This is so satisfying to just... First pair is the Ballerina Pink color, which I really love. So here's it folded up from the side, and here's this. It's a really gorgeous kind of like blush color, almost like a clay. It's not as pink as it looked on the website, but it's still so beautiful, and it's a really great neutral. It goes with a lot of things in my closet. So this leather is a full grain matte Napa leather that over time will kind of burnish, which means it'll take on its own little like patina, like you can kind of tell that it's been worn. It'll look unique, but not in a way that it looks like it's been abused, if that makes sense. So for instance, I have some really nice Italian leather watch straps, and over time they've kind of taken on like a really nice, not quite dappled look, but you can just tell that it's kind of like a vintage look is a good way to describe it, where it makes it look a little bit more storied, and I love that. So the inside of all Tieks are made with leather. That's really nice because unlike traditional ballet flats that might have edges or seams that'll wear on your foot and hurt, these are really silky smooth, and since they're all one piece, there's no edges, no ledges, no weird seams or anything to rub up and chafe against your foot. So these are really comfortable, and the insoles are also really cushioned. And kind of going back to the split sole, it makes it so that way it's really flexible, so as you move and walk throughout the day, it gets super comfortable, and there's not a lot of pressure on your feet. There's also some good arch support in here as well, so when I wear these like traveling, for instance, like fling something with these. When I travel, I love to pack Tieks with me because not only do they fold up like this and take up hardly any space in my suitcase, but they're also really comfortable when I'm walking around all day long sightseeing. So inside this box, other than my cute folded shoes, is also this little black pouch that comes with every pair of Tieks pockets. So you can put this over the shoes, and that way if you're traveling, you don't want like the dirty underside to get in your bag, you can put this over it, or you can slip it into your purse. Or you can use this purse that comes with it, that is the classic Tieks blue, like the box and the insole, or the soles of the shoes. And it's a little carrying bag, so it has a little pouch. Oops, is this inside out? Yes. There we go. So it comes with its own little bag that you can slip your Tieks into. There's a little pouch for things like maybe chapstick or lipstick or something. And then there's also this comfort part. The Ballerina Pink, I believe, is $175 on their website. And I mean, these are sort of pricier. The next pair that I have is Golden Glitz, which I just love this. This is $235, and you might be thinking that that's really expensive, but really for being something that took 3 days to hand create by one person and is so durable and so comfortable, I think that it's actually really worth it because Tieks last forever. I mean, some of my friends are teachers and they wear Tieks every single day, and they have had pairs for years, and they still look brand new and they still fit comfortably. Another really nice thing about Tieks is that the more you wear them, the more, just like any pair of leather shoes, they conform to your foot, so you get a customized fit for you. This is a Golden Glitz. When I unfold it, it's so gorgeous. I love the kind of ripples and valleys of this leather that you can see highlighted by the gold shine on it. It's just so lovely. I mean, this you could wear with anything, but I chose this pair because it's sort of more festive, so I can see myself wearing this to like Christmas parties or birthday parties. I have a few weddings I'm going to coming up. I mean, even like in the summertime, this will be so pretty. It's almost like a golden sunshine color. The spring, this will look gorgeous with pastels or like white colors around Easter time. Into the fall, I love wearing gold, especially with neutrals like browns and navies and dark greens. So I mean, this color I think also is just so versatile and so beautiful. So this is Golden Glitz. It's $235 on the Tieks website, handmade, so comfortable, and it goes with everything. Plus, for someone who travels all the time like me as a travel writer, I just love that I can fold these up, slip them in my bag, and just go. So Tieks, in addition to the Golden Glitz and the Ballerina Pink that I have, has more than 60 different colors, from neons like their pop pink and the lemon yellow to they have some animal prints which are really cute. They pretty much have every color you could think of, which is so cute, and they have lots of colors that are great for all year round. They also add new colors all the time. They just came out with a heritage plaid print, which is a really beautiful kind of navy and red toned plaid print shoe, which is so gorgeous if you're Scottish like I am and appreciate a good plaid. Sizing goes, I typically wear between an 8.5 and a 9 in regular shoes, just kind of depending on what they are. But for Tieks, I size down actually. So instead of going from an 8.5 to a 9, I went down from an 8.5 to an 8. And the reason for that is because I find that over time the leather doesn't necessarily stretch out, but rather it kind of adapts to the shape of my foot. So I like wearing a little bit snug fit. If you do have like high arches or you need more arch support, or you plan to wear like insoles inside, which I don't know that I recommend because they're already super comfortable, but some people need them. Or if you just have really wide feet, then I would size those up. But otherwise, if you're half size, go down. If you take like a regular size, so like a 7, 8, or a 9, just take that regular size as that as well for those. If you're interested in getting your very own pair of Tieks, you can either order them online. I'll put a link in the description below to take you to their website, or they have a boutique, as they call it, in Beverly Hills, which I was just in, and it's so beautiful. They're so beautiful, and they have so many different colors. You can pick out either your favorite or a neutral that you'd wear every day, or something fun like the pop pink color is one of my favorites I've been eyeing for a while. Really great with the different supports. The back is really cushioned instead of being elasticized. So for me, one of my main problems with cheaper shoes is that they tend to rub like my Achilles heel. And if you're walking a lot, I mean, you get blisters really easily, or the back of your foot can open up, which is unpleasant to deal with. But these are so soft, and I love wearing these. I mean, you can wear these all day long, walk 10 hours. They're fantastic. There's also pictures on their website of people working out in these, which to me is crazy, but that just kind of goes to show how versatile they are, how comfortable they are, and how durable they are. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about Tieks, just let me know in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. And if you like my videos, be sure to subscribe. It's been a little bit while since I have uploaded anything. I'm kind of getting back into doing more YouTube after taking a bit of a break from it. But I will be trying to upload at least twice a week going forward. So if you have any requests, let me know. I'll be doing some more haul videos, some more travel videos, some more unboxing videos, since you guys seem to really like these. But if you have anything you'd like to see, any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, you can check out my blog, anniewearsit.com, and kind of keep up with what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time.